Namo Namah Chhatraha. In our surrounding, there are many types of words like a ending, I ending, e ending, u ending, ru ending, many more. And there are declination in pulling, sling and napunsakling. Okay, so today we're going to learn u ending pulling shabdarupam. It's a sadhuvat. Why it's a sadhuvat? Because like sadhu. Not only sadhu, it's a like sadhu. Sadhu, it's a u ending, rasva ukaranta word. Likewise, we're going to see many more words. First, we'll see declination of sadhu shabdarupam in all the cases. In prathama, we decline sadhu, sadhu, sadhavah. As we know that prathama vibhakti, it's a nominative case. It shows subject. Dvitiya, that is accusative case, and it is declined in sadhum, sadhu, sadhun, dvitiya. It shows object. Now, instrumental case, that means tritiya vibhakti. Sadhuna, sadhubhyam, sadhubhihi. It shows instrumental case. Now we'll see chaturthi vibhakti, that is dative case. Sadhave, sadhubhyam, sadhubhyah. It shows giving and taking sense. Now we'll see panchami vibhakti, that is ablative case. Sadhoho, sadhubhyam, sadhubhyah. It shows separation. Now we'll see shashti vibhakti, that is genitive case. Sadhoho, sadhoho, sadhunam, shashti. It shows relation between two things or two persons. Next, saptami vibhakti, that is locative case. Is declined sadhau, sadhoho, sadhushu. Last, it is vocative case, that is sambodhanam, which shows he are bho. Okay, so he sadho, he sadhu, he sadhavah, we decline likewise. Now we understand this prathama, kartane, dvitiya, karma, को, तृतीया, से के द्वारा, चतुर्थी संप्रदान के लिए, पंचमी दैट इज अपादान कारक से अलग होना, षष्ठी दैट इज जेनेटिव केस, वी सेड संबंध काके की रारेरी, सप्तमी में पर एंड संबोधन हे अरे भो. These are the declinations which we decline in u ending pulling form. Likewise, we have to see many more examples for u ending words. Now, next example we see, that is guru. Now, please keep it in your mind whenever it's a ra pronunciation, that in a word na will change into na. Na. So, see the tritiya vibhakti ekvachan and shashti vibhakti bahuvachanam. Okay, in sadhu table we have seen that in both na is na. Okay, and in guru table that na will change into na. Okay, so please keep it in your mind. So guruhu, guru, guravah, prathama. Gurum, guru, gurun, द्वितीया. गुरुणा, गुरुभ्याम, गुरुभिः, तृतीया. गुरवे, गुरुभ्याम, गुरुभ्यः, चतुर्थी. गुरोः, गुरुभ्याम, गुरुभ्यः, पंचमी. गुरोः, गुर्वोः, गुरुणां, षष्ठी. गुरौ, गुर्वोः, गुरुषु, सप्तमी. हे गुरो, हे guru, हे guruvah, sambodhan. This is the declination for guru. What is the meaning of guru? That is acharya, teacher. What is the meaning of sadhu? That is the saint, sadhu, sajjana. Now next word we'll see jantu. Jantuhu, that is pashuhu. Okay, pashuhu, that means what? Animal. same like jantuhu. So jantuhu, it's a synonym of pashuhu. So pashu also u ending pulling word and jantu also u ending pulling words. So how it will decline? जंतुः जंतु जंतवः प्रथमा, जंतुम जंतु जंतून् द्वितीया, जंतुना जंतुभ्याम जंतुभिः तृतीया, जंतवे जंतुभ्याम जंतुभ्यः चतुर्थी, जंतोः जंतुभ्याम जंतुभ्यः पंचमी, जंतोः जंतवोः जंतूनां षष्ठी, जंतौ जंतवोः जंतुषु सप्तमी, हे जंतो हे जंतु हे जंतवः संबोधनम. So likewise we have seen 3 tables, u ending tables, pulling u ending tables, right? Now we'll see the uses of this u ending Shabdarupani. So I have taken Sadhu Shabdarup and I use that particular words in a particular vibhakti. So first of all, Sadhave Ashrame Vasanti. So Sadhava, it's a Prathama vibhakti, Bahuvachan. Prathama, how it is declined? Prathama, Sadhu, Sadhu, Sadhavah, Prathama. So Sadhavah, मतलब साधु आश्रमों में रहते हैं. So here Sadhavah and Vasanti, the both are Sadhava, it's a Prathama vibhakti and with that subject word हमने मैच किया है, वर्ब हमने मैच किया है, राइट. सो साधवः आश्रमे वसंती. नेक्स्ट इज साधु आगच्छतः. वी हैव सीन दैट कि जैसा सब्जेक्ट रहता है, इफ इट इज सब्जेक्ट इन एक वचन वी हैव मैच विथ द वर्ब इन सेम नंबर, सेम वचन, लाइक दैट. साधु, इट्स अ द्विवचन, सो वी हैव टू मैच that kriyapat with dvivachan. So agachatha, sadhu agachatha. Next sentence is sadhu kanda moolam khadati. Sadhu, we use this sadhu shabdarup like a subject. Okay, sadhu kanda moolam khadati. Now we'll see dvitiya vibhakti. How it is declined? Sadhum, sadhu, sadhun dvitiya. So I can use any number. I can use ekvachan, dvivachan and बहुवचन, any. So I use here साधून. So साधून विना, विना का जब भी प्रयोग होता है, that विना प्रयोग द्वितीय विभक्ति के लिए भी होता है एंड पंचमी विभक्ति के लिए भी होता है एंड तृतीय विभक्ति के लिए भी होता है. ओके, सो आई हैव यूज ओवर दिस विना फॉर अ द्वितीय विभक्ति. साधून विना आश्रमः अपूर्णः. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, त्वं साधुं पश्यसि. So I ask that ki we use this Dvitiya Vibhakti like a object. So I use sadhum like a object. Tvam sadhum pashyasi. Okay, तुम साधु को देख रहे हो. Okay, likewise. Now next is aham sadhu namami. Now sadhu I have taken द्विवचन over here. Okay, तो aham मतलब I, साधु मतलब to send, दो साधु को, ठीक है. नमामि, प्रणाम करती हूँ और करता हूँ, एंड यू कैन यूज. नाउ विल सी तृतीय विभक्ति. इन तृतीय विभक्ति साधुभिः आशीर्वादः प्राप्यते. साधु से आशीर्वाद प्राप्त होता है. जनः साधुना सह गच्छति. जनः मनुष्यः नरः साधुना सह, विथ साधु, गच्छति गोइंग. ओके, सो पर्सन इज गोइंग with sadhu. Likewise we can translate. Now we'll see chaturthi vibhakti. I use this namah prayog as a upapad vibhakti for a sadhu. So sadhave namah. How it is declined in chaturthi vibhakti? Sadhave sadhubhyam. Please make sure that is the sadhubhyam, sadhubhyah. Okay, so sadhave namah. Sadhubhyah bhiksham yachha. साधुभ्यः, साधुओं के लिए, भिक्षाम यच्छ, भिक्षा दो. नाउ विल सी पंचमी विभक्ति प्रयोग. अहम साधोः सतवचनम स्मरामि. मैं साधु से अच्छे वचन स्मरण करता हूँ. राइट. नाउ विल सी द Next prayog, that is the Shashti Vibhakti. How it is declined in Shashti Vibhakti? Sadhoho, sadhoho, sadhunam. It's a Shashti Vibhakti. Okay, so I use sadhoho निवासम निश्चितम नास्ति, मतलब साधु का जो निवास है वो निश्चित नहीं रहता है. Sometimes they are living in one, sometimes they are living in ashrama, sometimes they are living anywhere. So I use साधुओं का निवास निश्चितम नास्ति. साधोः समक्षम असत्यम मावद, मतलब साधु के सामने. ओके, समक्षम, दैट इज दैट शुड बी हलंत. समक्षम असत्यम मावद, मतलब साधु के सामने हमें असत्य नहीं बोलना. यू शुड नॉट स्पीक रॉन्ग in front of sadhu, that is good people. Now next we'll see sadhoho krute jalam anaya. Sadhoho krute मतलब साधु के लिए, for sadhu what you have to bring? jalam anaya, पानी लाओ. so साधु के लिए krute. so यहाँ पे I use this krute as a उपपद विभक्ति प्रयोगः. now we'll see सप्तमी विभक्ति प्रयोगः. Saptami, how it is declined in Saptami? Sadhau, sadhuoho, sadhushu. Right? So, in Saptami, sadhau दिव्य गुणाः वसंती. साधुओं में दिव्य गुण होते हैं. साधुषु तपः श्रेष्ठ. साधुओं में तप श्रेष्ठ होता है. So, I use this श्रेष्ठ as a उपपद विभक्ति. Because of this श्रेष्ठ, I use over here वो साधु शब्द रूप को सप्तमी विभक्ति यहाँ पे हुई है. Then last, that is संबोधनम. I use संबोधनम. हे साधवः यूयं महान स्तः. हे साधु तुम सब महान हो. You all are great. Hey saints, you all are great. Okay, so likewise I use in a संबोधनम. Now this is one activity. I have given 3 u ending words, pulling words like Bhanu, Bandhu and Guru. In Bhanu, I have written Prathama and Chaturthi. In below Bhanu, I have written Prathama and Chaturthi. Below Bandhu, Dvitiya and Panchami, and Guru, Tritiya and Shashti. What you have to do? You have to decline first word this in Prathama, Chaturthi, Bhanu, Bandhu, Dvitiya, Panchami, and Guru, Tritiya, Shashti. And after that, you have to make uses. Any 2 uses for Bhanu, Prathama, Chaturthi, for Bandhu, Dvitiya, Panchami, and for Guru, Tritiya and Shashti. So likewise you have to write down 6 uses of different words and decline this particular vibhaktis in U-ending forms with the help of previous table. And you have to by heart these U-ending words to understand and write uses. Okay. So I hope that you understand this U-ending pulling words. Sadhu, that you understand. Stay home, stay safe. Dhanyavadah.